Hello over there, how are you doing? In a very quick step, I'm going to show you how you can just withdraw your money to your mpesa to your bank using the Binance application over here. It's just very easy. And just make sure that you at least subscribe. It's free, man. Rafiki, subscribe and turn on notification bell. You just be notified anytime I just upload a new video. Now, the first thing that you just need is to turn this application to the Pro. If you don't see this thing that you just see down one over there, make sure that you tune to the Pro. If you just click those things, you will see where it just tells you to turn this application into Pro. Do that. The next thing is to click wallet over here and to identify where your money is in which wallet. Okay, if you just scroll down over here, you see all this. I'll see that my money is in the spot wallet. So the next thing I just need to do, of course, when you scroll this, you will see the first wallet that will just appear on the overview. That is the wallet that has your money. You will see the money just indicated over there. So when I just click spot over here, you'll see my money is in the spot wallet. So all I just have to do is to transfer my USDT to the funding wallet where the P2P trading is, so that I can just trade my money. And you can see from spot to funding wallet, but the coin is BTC. But what I have on my spot wallet, when you click the spot wallet over here, you will see the first coin that appears over here is USDT, and it's going to indicate the amount of money that you have. You can see I have 1250, so I'm going to transfer that of them. I put maximum USDT. Okay, so let's just click transfer and click and transfer to the funding wallet where P2P trending is. So you have to select your coin, which is USDT, right over here. This is steps, especially when you and I have to select the maximum amount over here, and then you click transfer. Now we have transferred our money in a very easy way. Now let's just go to the next step. The next step that we just have to do is now to go over here and down one where it is just written trend. You click the trend over here. After then clicking trend, up there you see something written P2P trending. Just click P2P trending over here. So the moment you just click P2P trending, it will just take over here where I'm going to exchange this USDT with the money. Okay, and the next thing you'll just see over here is buy or sell. So we are going to sell what? You click sell and you are selling USDT, not BTC, not BUSD, not BNB. It is USDT. Over here, amount, you can put the amount and you can select the method of payment instead of just selecting and going to select more. Select mpesa. After clicking mpesa Kenya over here, then you just have to select the amount who fit your amount of withdrawal. So I just to find someone who is maybe selling from 1000 and above. Yeah, because I have 1250, 3000, 2000, 270. Yeah, 122. The price is very high, I tell you. So you just have to. But this one has a 45% rate. No, I'm not going to sell that one. So yeah, so you just have to come again, find someone over here. You find until you just get someone who fit maybe from 1000 and going up. So you always, okay, this guy over here, and the rating is 98.59%. he has done over 1000 trains, and this is 1000 to that one, and the payment mpesa Safaricom is there. So you just have to click sell. Very easy. These things are very easy if you just follow the steps. Transfer to the funding wallet and then click all here, and you can see you are going to receive 1301, and you select over here the method of payment, which is I have, of course. Make sure that you bind your mpesa. If you just try to do this one, if you have not ended your payment where you are going to receive your payment, this Binance would ask you to add. Make sure that you add your correct mpesa number so that you cannot lose. So I can receive in my bank, I can receive in my mobile phone number, I can receive in my mobile phone number. I have click my number over here and then I sell. Very easy, very easy, very easy, very easy. So then the next thing that you just be doing over here after clicking sell, see this thing. Okay, so I'm going to wait. He send money. I have to confirm that it's a real money he has sent to my account. After confirming that that is real money he has sent to my account, the next thing I will just be doing is to click confirm. Of course, this payment received, it will appear if you mark the payment as sent, but you have to confirm that you have received money. After that, you'll be clicking payment received. Then you verify the code will just be sent to your mobile phone number or your email, and then you come confirm, and then crypto will just be released to him. This is a safe method. As long you are sure that you have received money and real money to your account, you will not lose money on the peer-to-peer trading. That's how you just do these things, man. It's just very easy. Let me just repeat in a quick: transfer your money to the funding wallet from any wallet by clicking transfer, and then after that go to train p2p, go to trends, click p2p, and then come over here, click sell, select your method where you just want to receive your money, and then click sell, and then put or maybe you what you want. The minimum you can just sell over here is 270, but you have to find the person who sell from that limit. For me, I just select any person who sell from 1000 and above, because I have 1000 and above kwenda mbele. It's just very easy. If you have any question, make sure that you leave it in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer that. For those who have special things to ask me, you can contact me on WhatsApp, but I have little changes. You throw 200 bob or 150, and then you can just solve anything that you maybe you would see, even withdrawing on the Binance. We can just handle that, so that you can just, because her more is busy, that's how you can just say about it. Okay, yeah, so it just is like that. See you next time. Make sure that you subscribe, turn on notification bell. See you next time. Goodbye.